There is a wide range of 5 best R drones reviews in 2024, each offering unique features. To help you make an informed decision, I have conducted thorough research and analyzed numerous reviews to compile a list. Please check the links in the description. So, without any delay, let's proceed to the video. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro where compact meets powerful. This state-of-the-art mini drone is redefining what's possible in the sky, perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. Designed for those who demand portability without sacrificing performance, the Mini 4 Pro is your ultimate travel companion. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it's incredibly easy to carry on all your adventures. Equipped with powerful motors and intelligent flight algorithms, experience exceptional flight stability and responsiveness. This drone is engineered to elevate your aerial experience. The Mini 4 Pro boasts advanced features like obstacle avoidance, precise flight control, and stunning camera capabilities. Capture 4K video at 60 frames per second and 12-megapixel photos with ease. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial photography, surveying properties for real estate, or simply enjoying the joy of flight, the Mini 4 Pro caters to a variety of needs. Weight 249 grams. Battery life up to 30 minutes. Camera 1x1 0.3-inch CMOS sensor. Gimbal 3-axis stabilization for smooth footage. Pros: it's compact, offers impressive flight performance, and boasts advanced camera features. Cons: limited flight time compared to larger drones and a higher price point. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro beautifully balances performance, portability, and advanced features. Ready to take your aerial adventure to new heights? Let the Mini 4 Pro elevate your world. Number 2. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. The DJI Air 3, the latest drone from DJI. I've been using it for the past few weeks, and I'm really impressed with what it has to offer. Key features. The DJI Air 3 comes with a lot of great features, including dual primary cameras, a wide-angle main camera for capturing breathtaking landscapes, and a telephoto camera for zooming in on distant subjects without compromising image quality. 4K 60 FPS video. Record smooth, cinematic footage with 4K resolution at up to 60 frames per second. 20-kilometer max video transmission range. Enjoy extended flight range and reliable video transmission. Advanced flight modes. Master Shot and Quick Shot modes allow you to create professional-looking videos with just a few taps. Obstacle avoidance sensors. Fly with confidence thanks to advanced obstacle avoidance sensors that help you navigate complex environments. FAA Remote ID compliant. The Air 3 is compliant with FAA Remote ID regulations, ensuring legal and responsible drone operation. Performance. The DJI Air 3 performs exceptionally well in all areas. Its image quality is stunning, its flight performance is stable and precise, and its video transmission is reliable. I was particularly impressed with the low-light performance of the cameras. Overall, I highly recommend the DJI Air 3 to anyone looking for a powerful and versatile drone. It's a great option for both beginners and experienced pilots. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo, a powerhouse drone that redefines the standards of aerial imaging. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a flagship device that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, and with the Fly More Combo, you're getting a complete package to elevate your aerial creations. At the heart of the Mavic 3 Pro lies its incredible triple camera system. The Hasselblad camera, equipped with a large 4.3 4/3 CMOS sensor, captures stunning 20-megapixel photos and breathtaking 5.1K Apple ProRes and 4K 10-bit HDR videos. The telecamera takes your zoom capabilities to new heights, offering a 28x hybrid zoom for detailed shots. Whether you're capturing wildlife or urban landscapes, this camera delivers crystal-clear 12-megapixel photos and 4K 60 FPS videos. The wide-angle camera completes the trio, capturing stunning 12-megapixel photos and 4K 60 FPS videos with a wider field of view. The Mavic 3 Pro isn't just about powerful cameras, it's also a technological marvel. With a 15-kilometer video transmission range and up to 46 minutes of flight time, you can explore further and capture more. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system and precise flight control ensure safe and stable flights, while intelligent flight modes like Master Shot, Quick Shots, Focus Track, Point of Interest, and Waypoints make it easy to capture cinematic footage. The DJI RC remote controller is the perfect companion to the Mavic 3 Pro. Its large, bright screen provides a clear view of your flight, while the intuitive interface and customizable controls make it easy to operate. The Fly More combo takes your aerial experience to the next level. With additional batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case, you're always ready to capture the moment. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More combo is a game changer for professional videographers and enthusiasts alike. Its powerful camera system, advanced flight performance, and intelligent features make it the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3, a compact powerhouse that redefines aerial photography. Sleek, stylish, and incredibly portable, the Mini 3 is designed to go wherever you go. Its foldable arms make it easy to slip into a backpack or purse, ready for your next adventure. Don't let its size fool you. This little drone packs a punch. With a 4K HDR camera, you can capture stunning cinematic footage that rivals professional-grade drones. And with true vertical shooting, you can capture unique perspectives that are perfect for social media. Advanced image processing ensures your shots always look their best. The Mini 3 isn't just about capturing stunning visuals, it's about capturing the moment. With up to 38 minutes of flight time, you can spend more time exploring and less time worrying about battery life. Intelligent flight features like quick shots make it easy to create cinematic shots with just a tap. Focus Track keeps your subject in frame, while Master Shot automatically performs complex flight maneuvers. The user-friendly remote controller gives you precise control over your flight. With a range of up to 10 kilometers, you can explore further and capture breathtaking aerial views. The DJI Mini 3 is the perfect drone for anyone, from beginners to seasoned pilots. Its compact size, powerful features, and easy-to-use interface make it the ideal companion for your next adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Take to the skies with the DJI Mini 3 and capture the world from a whole new perspective. Number 5. DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo, not just a drone but a gateway to a world of immersive FPV flight. With its powerful 4K camera, you can capture breathtaking 4K videos and high-resolution photos, even in low-light conditions. The wide dynamic range and digital zoom options give you the flexibility to create stunning aerial content. Experience the thrill of first-person view flight with low-latency transmission and comfortable goggles. Lose yourself in the moment and capture unforgettable perspectives. Unleash your inner daredevil with a single button press. The Avata 2 performs a wide range of acrobatic maneuvers, from flips and rolls to more advanced tricks. Fly with confidence, knowing that the built-in propeller guard protects your drone and its surroundings. The Avata 2 boasts a 155-degree field of view, capturing expansive landscapes and dynamic action. It's also FAA Remote ID compliant, ensuring legal and responsible flight. With extended flight time and quick charging batteries, you can spend more time in the air. Advanced obstacle avoidance and collision detection systems keep your drone safe, while the user-friendly interface makes it easy to learn and fly. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo is the ultimate tool for FPV enthusiasts and drone photographers alike. Its powerful features, immersive experience, and safety innovations make it the perfect choice for your next aerial adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge and experience the future of flight.